So, I started this whole thing by saying it's Tuesday. It is not Tuesday. So, I would like to reissue my statement that it is Wednesday. Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. And we had gotten a bunch of stuff on our way back from run number 2 during the day on a Wednesday. Tuesday night was a big night. Well, not even. We got an AC unit. We went back and scrapped that up. Here's the deal. We have a great start to our Wednesday night. Got a nice wall now. Boom, that's a nice wall right there. And we could still put stuff up front, build towards the back, and off we go. Happy Wednesday. Let's get it. How you doing, boss?
Good.
For the trash?
You want them, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. Yeah, dirty the room is about 30 cents a pound, but we do it. I've done over 300,000 pounds just this year, so yeah.
You want them for the aluminum?
Yeah, that's what we do. We recycle everything, so.
You want help with it?
No. I'll just roll it right up there. Awesome. Thank you so much. I surely appreciate it. I had gotten 2 of those earlier that are on the side of the house right now. So I don't know if I explained this, but we had already, on the way home, we got super busy to the point where I didn't want to. Oh, this thing's going to be a nightmare. I didn't want to load all that stuff up. We would already be filled. Let's put it that way. Whatever I'm trying to say out of my face. As if I didn't go dump. It would have been a short night. Oh, short night. Still gonna have to figure out the best way to do this. Alright, I can deal with that right now. Somebody asked you what kind of night it is. It's that kind of night. I will take it. Doors are off. Make it a little bit more easy, a little bit easier to manage, a little bit more easy. That is so disappointing what just happened. So disappointing. These chairs are gonna wrestle all night. I can feel it. I can feel it with these chairs. Let the rustling begin. Ding, ding, ding. Alright. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this, people? Not cooperation time. Non-cooperative combatant. Woo. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, junk man. Holy moly. There it is. Maybe we should count how many times I say holy moly in any one given video. Maybe we should do that. That would be fun. Woo! Well, that was interesting. I need something to grab. There you go. Here's the cord. Here's the cord. There it is. There she goes. Oh, I grabbed it the wrong way. Goodness gracious. Don't get hit by a car today. Well, I usually don't pull these up. Woo! Don't need a gym. Y'all have a great night. There you go. Ooh, we lost the wheel. We lost the wheel. Come on. This thing looks like the Packers colors. Bam, bam, ba-now, now, now. Go, Pack, go. Packers ain't doing much this year. Alright, focus. Ain't about football, Michael. Alright, now I have to get this thing up their thing. I can't guarantee you guys won't get hit. Momentum! Oh, nope, we didn't get that one. It's alright, we got it on the upper lip though. Big reach underneath. Oh, we're caught on something. Up we go. Up we go. Flo. Hey, Aunt Flo. Wonderful lady. Love her to death. She's actually my great aunt. Treadmill time. Hello, treadmill. Oh. Hi, how are you? Huh? Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah, have a great night. See this bad girl. Just chilling. Save her from a landfill. Still got that little cubicle there. Alright, a couple chairs. Oop. A couple more chairs. We're going to see if we can't do something with these up here. And we can start compacting, making some room, and trying to figure it out a little bit here. Don't get me wrong, great stack starting. Great stack going. Loving every second of it. We just got to make sure that we are staying efficient. We're going up. Oh yeah. Straps are starting to get crazy. How many we got on here so far? 1, 2, 3. We're going for strap number 4. We only got 5. Oh, dude, that thing is a monster. How in the world? How in the world are you going to do this one? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'd laugh at that too. Yeah. Just wanting to fight. Fighting. Who's fighting? Well, I think she just punched me in the leg. Please don't be hitting anything yet. Nah, you got room. What are you doing? What is catching so bad? I don't know if I understand. Is that it? Oh, I didn't want any cars to come. Yet here they are. Oh, two of them. I don't know. I'm messing up. Oh, hi, kitty. Hi. You gonna let me pet you? Meow meow. Hi, kitty. Yeah. Aw. Aren't you a cutie pie? Hi there. Hi. Yeah, you're so cute. How you doing? Hi. Yeah. So nice. Okay. It's okay. You a good kitty? Huh? Meow meow. Alright, I gotta get to work, okay? Be a good kitty. Be careful on these streets. Trash, please take. You got it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but you got it. What are you doing, kitty? Huh? I think we're gonna put this right up there. Yeah, that seems like a good place. Oh my goodness. You know where it needs to go. Right there. How you gonna do that though? How you gonna do that, tough guy? Oh. Dun, ba-dun. Watch this, kitty. Meow meow. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. On his little so I can just drop it all over me. Man. I don't know. What do you guys think? I just need to get it up somewhere so I can adjust my grip and it will stick. Notice how nothing's really been easy today. Ever a day where it's easy. Hey dude, carry this thing like a server back in the day. No. We've come too far. We've come too far, my friend. Too far. You're not allowed to come back down. Except for wearing an E&H car. What don't you do that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. You smashed me in my face. Hey now. Holy goodness gracious. Wow. That thing hit me right in the face. Can you believe that? Ow! One thing we haven't got tonight. So one thing. We just got it. A bike. Oh, look at that. That's a nice little bike too. Look at that bike. That's a nice little bike. Hi, this bike was for the trash, correct? Oh, awesome. Thank you. We donate them all. Thank you. This one looks nice. Alright, where are we going to put this spot? Where are we going to put this thing? Alright, that strap's got to move. See what I'm saying? Not that it's hard. A lot of little stuff like that tonight. Look at that. That ain't going to fit. Kind of wants to fit in this area, but not really. Come on, pal. There you go. That was the thing we were missing. I'm grabbing the wrong strap here. We didn't have any bikes today. And now we got a bike. It is just about complete now. Yep. Alright, good, good. Let's go. Onward. Onward to homeward. Major tire issues. I don't have a plug on me. But I came out this morning and the tire was flat. And I didn't see this, but it looks like it's going flat again. So that sucks. God, that sucks. Made it all the way here, but I don't know if I'm making it out of here. I may just have to throw these two things off real quick and then go get that tire fixed. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Off we go. Okay, good morning. How's everybody today? I am frazzled. We are having serious issues with this tire. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Man, that's looking pretty good. I wanted to get out and scrap. I don't know. Some cool toys. soon as that low tire light comes on, I got to go. Washer and dryer time. Yeah, see, it may be worth it. Maybe worth it. Even if I gotta come out here and put my donut on. Oh, it's such a glutton for punishment sometimes. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. What a crazy day already. Crazy day. We got one load in. I was gonna shoot some video, but I was so freaked out. I don't know if you could hear it in my voice, because I thought we were going full flat at the yard, and that is not good. And even this, we run through, fill up. I'm not tempting fate that much. I want to be able to drop this trailer off and then fly up to get the tire repaired. Oh my goodness. Then once the tire is repaired, then we can run back and run this last load. I'm hoping we're gonna get pretty close to 10K today. Little bike. That radio flyer, I'm gonna take it in. I didn't want to recycle that. Although it just looks like the tire may be a little damaged. Which way do I want to go with this? Bring you in just like that. Man. Trying to be quick today. Trying to be as quick as I possibly can. Oh. While still being somewhat efficient. Feel like I'm in a race against time with that light. Only got so much time today. Blocking up the road. All good. Water heater time. Dibby bump. Oh, how you doing, water heater? Oh, she's a new one, aren't you? Are you kind of new? December 2014. Womp womp. You are not the oldest. Oh, 2014. That's 2022 now. 8 years. 8 years out of a water heater. Meanwhile, I'm sure up north you still some of these furnaces and stuff, water heaters from like the 60s, the 50s. Yep. Today's been kind of chaotic. I'm hoping that patch, when I'm driving, it's smushing it down. It seemed like when we just checked, the thing was leaking pretty good. But we're a couple hours into the patch now, and the light hasn't come on. Somebody's calling me. Hello. Sorry. Alright. Oh! What a day. What a day we're having. We got the batteries changed out. because the battery died. So we got that changed out for everything, and we keep on our way. We are on it. We are on it today. On it, on it, on it, on it, on it. But we filled up in one neighborhood last night, and usually I run 4. So yeah, and it was pretty much one neighborhood. A little bit, maybe a little bit more than one, but not much. Not much. Ow. Just getting beat up. If you look, I tried cutting my leg off this morning. I mean, the amount of injuries that happen on this rig. Come on, baby girl. Yep. Chainsaws in there and a bunch of wire. Wow, how busy we are today. Busy, busy, busy bumblebees. Busy. That wasn't there earlier, was it? Nope, nope, nope. You can go right there. And this, I kind of wish I would have dropped you off at the house. You were just getting in the way. I done did it with these, didn't I? Need a little muscle. Oh, this one is not going to need a little muscle. Maybe just a different kind of muscle. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Holy moly! Oh, what are we caught on? Thanks. Saying that right there. And the bottom is aluminum. We haven't even hit the other neighborhood yet. Oh, oh, oh. Hold up. Oh. You're a heavy one. Have not even hit the other neighborhood yet. Hello. Fine. Everything's fine. It's the day. It's what we're doing today. 70, 60, 59 degrees right now. I did not sign up for this. I was told when I moved to Florida that it would be hot all year. No cold weather at all, ever. Ever. Because I remember saying, like, ever? And they're like, yeah, never. We never get cold weather. Like, ever. Never. Alright. Well, I like never. And yet, here we are. I heard the East Coast, everybody's getting pounded. Florida's like the only one. I'm down here complaining about 60. Like, ooh. What do we have here? Oh, his whole face broke off. I love elephants. I mean, fan out. Super quick today. It has been about an hour. And that's what we've gotten. Killing it. Be interesting. See what we have room for. We just hit another neighborhood. We're gonna have an issue soon. It's called lack of room. And by soon, I mean right now. Alright. You're cute, but you're gonna need to go somewhere else. I think that's where this grill is going. Right there. Right there. Oh, some juice. The Napoleon. 15-year bumper to bumper. Says it right there. Parts and warranty. This thing is way heavier than I thought it was. God, I always get myself into these situations, don't I? I don't know. I'd like to keep my fingers, thank you. We got some stuff here. A Mongoose Pro. See if Rusty would take that. If not, it'll be a recycled one. So I could throw a whole new strap over that. Alright, I'm good with that. I am good with that. Ow. Goodness gracious. I get hurt a lot. I've been getting it a lot here lately. A lot. Kind of over getting hurt. A little bit. Yeah, it's all wood. I had to tell you. Impressed with that plug so far. Got me through the day. Okay, welcome back. Absolute crazy day. We got the tire fixed. Interior patch. So it is back up. Good to go. This was the load that we found earlier. I just added these 2 chairs that we had found yesterday afternoon. Not a bad afternoon load, I'll tell you that. I think I'm going to throw a strap right there. One more, right there. Boom. Oh, this other thing I wanted to show you. We got some rims while we're at my mechanic. See what they pay out. Once I get there. And then a little bit of that money aside for him. Because I did not pay for these yet because I did not have any cash. So, somebody ate that curve. Can't wait for some of this water to dry up. Alright, take this down. All going to Jeff. Alright, we're going to hit you with some fast forward. What's your name again, boss?
Phil.
Phil. It's great meeting you, man. Thanks for watching, too. I'm gonna give you a big breakdown. I'm kind of guilty of that sometimes. Guilty. I just try to do such volume. Like today, I've already done 2,500. This is my second load. So I'll be close to 2,500 pounds just today. Trying to do, I think this.
I've seen your channel.
Oh, awesome, man! I appreciate it.
You and Nacho.
Yeah, I'll be. This should put us over 10,000 pounds for the week. Yeah.
Yeah, I was telling him I had bought a trailer for $200.
Right.
It was it needs a little work.
All right.
So I started welding on it. The metal is so bad that I'm just blowing through.
Oh, really?
Blowing through the metal, and I keep all right. Let me go a little more.
Right.
By the time I'm done, I'm gonna get a trailer that's big.
Right.
I might just cut my loss and scrap it. So.
Yeah. I ended up, because I own a plumbing business too.
Yeah.
So I bought this for plumbing at first because I was hauling around solar hot water heaters and those big solar panels.
Yeah.
So I needed a 10-foot by trailer. So I ended up getting this for that, and then when I switched over and started doing this, I was like, well. Okay, so that's the end of the day. Filming this a little bit later before I went on my night run. I wanted to add up the numbers. We are over 10,000 pounds. Yay, we did it. We did it early. So we're at 10,800 with one more night, Thursday night. So today's run, what was today's run? 2,800 and something pounds for a little over 250, something like that. So yeah, good deal. I think we're just about at $1,000 for the week, and we still got tomorrow's payday. So good week, good week. Can't complain. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. I hope it's light enough out here. It's getting dark out, so y'all have a great night. Thank you to everybody who drops comments, checks in on the channel, watches us daily. We really appreciate you. You guys are awesome. If you get a chance, ring the bell. That way you get to know when we put out videos, because right now we're sporadic. It's whenever I get a chance. And the more I get into this editing tool, the longer the videos are taking me to make. So, but I'm having fun. So, alright, I'm going to stop rambling, and y'all going to have a good day, and I'm going to have a good day, and we're going to say goodbye till the next time. Alright, well, happy Tuesday night, and I have some explaining to do to you. Alright, so most of this we got on the way back from run number 2 on Tuesday day. Right? No, today's Wednesday. Oh, stop the tape.